Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off notification from Google News on Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel disturbed and annoyed with a lot of notification to your phone, and especially from Google News that keep coming, so yeah, the notification that disturb you, you can turn it off. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay guys, yeah, the first thing first is go to Google, and then here now you can long press on the icon, and now go to apps info, and then after that here now you can go to notification and go to configure in Google. And then after that here now you can scroll down and you can turn off the notification from news and stories, sport, music show and music and other news. And so yeah, if you're done, those notifications will not coming to your phone again. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys.